am Margarida Vieira and I am currently a trainee lawyer in the Immigration Department at Lexidy LegalTech Boutique. With more than 300 days of sunshine, history at every turn, amazing cities like Lisbon and Oporto, and some of the world's best beaches and food, it is no wonder that so many people want to visit Portugal and visit Portugal every year. Well, the great news is that if you are a digital nomad or receive passive income, you can live and work in Portugal without breaking a sweat, thanks to a new type of visa purely designed for digital nomads just like you. This is the Digital Nomad Visa, and of course we also have the traditional D7 Visa for passive income holders. To start, the Digital Nomad Visa and the D7 Visa are very similar. In fact, the process is exactly the same and the requirements are also very similar. However, the monthly income requirements are very different. While the digital nomad's income can only be from salary, the D7's income must be a passive income such as dividends, pensions, interests, or rental income. Digital nomads are very welcome in Portugal, and this new type of visa really proves it. Here you will find a country that provides everything to perfectly balance your personal and professional life. Firstly, like most things, there's paperwork and requirements to fulfill. But do not worry, because we may assist you from the beginning until the end. Notwithstanding, there are 3 things you must pursue from the outset. The Portuguese tax identification number, which is called NIF, is the first document that you will require in Portugal. It is unique for each person and it is issued by the Portuguese tax authority. It will give you permission to not only open a Portuguese bank account, but also to start your own company, purchase an apartment, pay taxes, get loans, and do a lot of other tax activities. After getting your NIF, it is required to have a Portuguese bank account. Well, opening one up from abroad can be difficult, but there are solutions. This will be very important when you apply for the visa, because one of the mandatory requirements is to have a specific amount of money deposited in your Portuguese bank account. But we will talk about this further ahead. Furthermore, you must prove you have accommodation here in Portugal. There are several ways you can prove your accommodation. As you will see, you can even buy a property. For the Digital Nomad Visa, you must be able to show you receive income as a salary correspondent to the amount of at least 4 times the minimum wage here in Portugal. While for the D7 Visa, it is only required to prove you receive passive income correspondent to the amount of 1 minimum wage here in Portugal. However, be mindful of the fact that this amount may increase per additional family member that wishes to accompany you. In addition to the monthly income requirements, for both the D7 and the Digital Nomad Visa, you must also prove that you hold at least 9,120 euros in a Portuguese bank account. However, and as I mentioned before, be mindful of the fact that this amount can and will increase per additional family member. Regarding the Digital Nomad Visa, one of the most important documents is to have a declaration issued by your company attesting that you are authorized to work remotely. After this, and now regarding both visas, you must hire travel insurance that covers all Schengen countries, at least 30,000 euros in expenses and repatriation. However, we may also assist you with your insurance company choice and assess which one is most suitable for you, if you wish, of course. When your visa is approved, you should travel to Portugal and attend your appointment with the Borders and Foreigners Services, which we call CEF. Once your residence card is issued, it will be valid for 2 years, with the option to renew it for 3 years. Therefore, after 5 years of being a legal resident in Portugal, you may apply for either a permanent residency or Portuguese citizenship. Plus, you can also register for a tax perk called the non-habitual resident regime, with an attractive flat tax rate of 20% of personal income tax, rather than the general progressive rates we have here in Portugal. How you will be taxed, however, depends on the tax treaty that your country has with Portugal. One of the best things about these visas is that you will also have access to the public healthcare and education systems, which we would be glad to assist you with as well. It may seem simple, but we can make it simpler. Stop wondering why you cannot live in a sunny country and just do it! If you are interested, click on the link below to schedule a call with Lexidy team, and we will assist you at your earliest convenience so that we can explain how your process will go. Have a great day!